everyone, XAGucha23 here, and I'm back with this another video. Alright guys, I'm not going to be too long with this video, but this is not the email that I wanted to hear. But in case you guys know, a couple of months ago, back in March, before I was flying to the Philippines, I did put in an application to work with Delta for the ramp agent. And basically, like I said, I was talking to a couple of the workers there. They say it takes 2 months for the application to process. Well, as you guys can see on my screen, I just got the email from Delta, and they say that I didn't get the position. And it's really sad because I really did wanted this job because, like I said, I really wanted to make a little bit more money. And even though I work at UPS, but still, with the way things are too expensive, you know, UPS doesn't really cover most of my bills here. So yeah, man, it sucks because, like I said, I really did wanted this job. You know, I wanted to make more money, but you know, you gotta respect the company, and they went with somebody else. But I'm not going to give up. Like I say, when there's another position that is open, I'll apply again. But for now, I'm just going to have to remain at UPS until there's another opening that I could try to squeeze in. But yeah, this is what I wanted to make this video, just show you guys that if there's a job that you want, just don't give up. Continue to pursued it, you know what I mean? Because like I said, these things go by quick, man. It's just like the same thing with UPS. UPS is a job that you just gotta have to grab ASAP because the positions fill up very quick. And it seems it's the same thing with Delta. But like I said, we live and learn, and we're gonna keep grinding until I get the position. But other than that, stay to the channel. I got more covered. Peace and love. I am out.
Oh, yeah, I'm grateful, yeah, I'm grateful. Yeah, God gave me everything that I pray for.